What's up, everybody? Scott here. Wanted to show you this cover for our day bed that we got as a replacement for our other one that ripped in the wind. So go ahead and take it. Comes in this nice bag here, as you can see. Go ahead and take it out of this package. It's got that little knob you can undo. You just push this in, and then we'll take it out of here and unfold it. So the silver side or gray side, whatever color you want to call that, I call it silver, is the inside or bottom side of it. And we'll go ahead and stretch this over it. So there you go. Here's your seam all the way around it, and then I believe it's got some areas where we can tighten this up at. See where that's at. Yep. So here's a string to tighten it up. You'll just pull this knob down, tighten up the strings. One there. Let's see what else we got. So you just got the one string to tighten it with. I still like to put some bricks and stuff on it to help keep it covered and keep it on there from the wind blowing it off. But just a cover that we got for our day bed that I wanted to show you real quick.